Let's see what this is. Whoa, no way! Is this for real? That's hilarious. I can't believe this is happening. This is the best day ever! Whoa, a salary increase.
This time, Leo did everything right.
That's awesome.
Or at least, that's what it looked like. He didn't overspend. He didn't chase things he didn't need. He didn't fall into the same traps that used to pull him in before. He was careful, deliberate, controlled. Every decision thought through. Every expense
This room feels
questioned.
different.
And slowly,
The light is brighter,
something
and the
began
posters
to
look
change.
newer.
Not dramatically.
I get it.
Not
It's been upgraded.
instantly, but steadily. His money started growing. Not fast, not in a way that felt exciting, but in a way that felt safe, predictable, reliable. And that was enough for him, because for the first time, Leo felt like he was in control. Control over his money, control over his choices,
All right,
control
time for a
over
change of
his
scenery.
life. And control
so many good
feels
options.
powerful.
I think
It
I'll go with the
feels like
latte and
progress.
sandwich. Yeah,
Leo
that sounds
started
perfect.
building habits, small ones. He skipped things he didn't need, avoided things he could live without. That extra coffee? No. That quick online purchase? Not necessary. That upgrade he once would have justified? Not anymore. Each time he said no, it felt like a win, a small victory, a quiet reminder that he was becoming better, stronger, more disciplined. And discipline feels like growth, even when nothing around you changes.
Let's check out these
Days
clothes.
turned into weeks. Weeks
This grid
turned
is so
into months.
smooth.
And Leo stayed consistent.
I might get this hoodie.
Same routine, same mindset, same decisions. Wake up, work, avoid spending, save, repeat. At first, it felt productive. Every day had a purpose. Every action
All right,
felt
let's
aligned.
check out.
But over time, something subtle began to shift. Not in his money,
Yes,
in his experience.
order confirmed. That was
the
easy.
routine didn't feel exciting anymore.
Huh?
It didn't feel like
Was that the door?
progress. It felt flat,
Package for Leo.
predictable,
Oh, thanks.
quiet.
Have a good one.
Leo's
you too.
world became smaller, not physically, but mentally.
Let's see about
He
this new
stopped
shirt.
exploring ideas.
Time to try it
stopped
on.
considering possibilities. Stopped asking
Not
questions.
bad. I look
because
pretty
every
good.
question led to the
Ugh,
same
walking?
answer.
No thanks.
No.
Let's see.
Save
Ride Easy app.
instead. And saving
Book this
became his
ride.
default, not just a habit,
Sweet, 5 minutes.
an identity.
Perfect.
Something he leaned on, something that made him feel safe. Leo wasn't struggling, but he wasn't moving either. And that's the part most people don't notice.
My food's
because
almost
standing
here.
still doesn't feel like failure.
Hey, food delivery
It doesn't
for Leo?
feel like
Yep,
losing.
that's me.
It just
Thanks.
feels like nothing.
Smells
And nothing
amazing.
is easy to ignore. One evening, Leo sat down. Same place, same position, same routine. He reached for his phone, opened his banking
Wow,
app,
this streaming
and
app
looked
looks
at the
great.
number.
Let's
Higher
subscribe
than
now.
before.
Quick
much
tap to
higher.
confirm.
He should have
Yes,
felt proud.
subscribed.
And part of him did. But
Now I can watch
something else
everything.
started to surface. A quiet thought, a small question. Why doesn't anything feel different? Leo looked around. Same room, same furniture, same
Whoa,
habits,
what is going
same
on?
life.
Days are just flying
Nothing
by.
had changed, except the number on
Okay,
his screen.
that's enough for now.
And suddenly, that didn't feel like enough. Because numbers don't change your life on their own. They don't create movement. They don't create opportunity. They don't create growth.
All
Not
right, time to
unless
head out.
you use them.
This place
Leo
looks
stared
great.
at the screen a little longer, then scrolled. Months of
Table
saving,
for one, please.
all there, all untouched. Every decision, every
This looks
sacrifice,
way better.
every no, stacked into a
delicious.
single number.
Much better than
And for
before.
the first time, Leo saw
right,
it
let's pay
differently.
this bill.
Not as progress, but
Tap
as
to confirm.
potential.
All set.
Unused potential. Because money
And
sitting
done.
still
Easy
doesn't
peasy.
move you forward. It just stays where it is, protected, but inactive. Leo leaned back, thinking, because something didn't feel right anymore. Saving had given him control, but it hadn't given him direction. And control without direction doesn't lead anywhere. It just keeps you in place. Leo started
I wonder if
noticing
my closet
things,
has more stuff
subtle
now.
at first. People around him.
Whoa, it
moving
actually
forward,
does. Look at
not
all these
just
new shirts and
financially,
pants.
but in life.
Nice, more options.
Learning new things.
Okay, let's check
trying
this recipe.
new paths.
Wait, the
taking
kitchen? I
risks,
should look.
Failing,
Ugh,
adjusting.
this place is a disaster.
Growing. And it
Nope,
wasn't because
phone
they
is
had
better,
more money.
much better.
It was because they used what they had.
Time for a little
Leo
break.
looked at his savings again, and this time
That's
he
the
didn't
stuff.
see safety.
Now for some
He
crunch.
saw stillness. He saw time passing without movement. And that realization was uncomfortable, because for months he believed he was progressing, but now it felt like he had been pausing while the world kept moving. Leo stood up, walked slowly, thinking deeper now, because this wasn't just about money anymore. It was about momentum. Saving had protected him, but it hadn't moved him forward. And progress requires movement.
All right, let's see
even
what
if
I've
it's
got.
small, even if
Wait,
it's
that can't be
uncertain,
right. It's way
even
less.
if it feels uncomfortable at first.
Ugh, I thought I had
Leo
more.
had avoided risk, avoided mistakes, avoided loss. But in doing that, he had also avoided growth, because growth always comes with uncertainty. There's no way around it, no version of progress that feels completely safe. Leo wasn't wrong. Saving wasn't a mistake. It was necessary, important, foundational. But it wasn't the full picture. And that's where most people stop. They learn how to protect money, but never learn how to grow it. Leo picked up his phone again, but this time he didn't open his banking app. He searched, explored, learned. For the first time, he wasn't
Whoa,
asking,
what's all
how
this?
do I keep this?
My spending
He was
history
asking,
is floating
how
around
do I
me.
use this? And that question
guess I've been busy.
changed everything. Because
What the
now,
deuce? My
the
expenses
focus
are piling
shifted
up.
from holding
This is getting
to
ridiculous.
building,
Look at that pile.
from avoiding
Holy
to
crap,
creating,
it's a mountain of
from
bills.
staying safe
I gotta stop
to
swiping.
moving forward. Leo didn't rush. He didn't jump into anything blindly. He didn't chase quick results. He just shifted, slightly, from saving only to thinking differently, to considering possibilities, to allowing movement back into his life. Because now he understood something
My
important.
income looks fine, but
Saving
what are
money
these?
is not the
Whoa,
finish
the expenses
line.
are growing so
It's the
fast.
starting point.
They're surrounding my
It
income
gives
completely.
You options, but only
I need to budget
if
better.
you use them. Leo looked around again. Same room, same space, but it felt different. Not because anything changed, but because he did. Because now he wasn't just
Whoa,
avoiding
what is
loss.
all this?
He was
They're
thinking
just
about
pouring
growth.
out everywhere.
And that shift
All these little things add up so
changed how
fast.
everything
My
felt.
wallet can't handle this.
Leo sat down again, calm,
what's this charge?
focused, present.
Wait, another one?
And this
can't
time,
be right.
when he looked at his
No,
savings,
no, it's
he
draining
didn't
so
just
fast.
see a number.
My balance is almost
he
gone.
saw a tool that could be used, a tool that could create movement, a tool that could open doors, if he allowed it to. And for the first time, Leo wasn't stuck. He was just at the beginning. Because progress doesn't come from holding still. It comes from moving forward. Even if it's slow, even if it's uncertain, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Leo took a deep breath.
Coffee,
and this time,
$5.
he didn't default
Lunch,
to
15.
no.
Okay.
He paused,
Movie ticket, 12.
thought,
Gas,
considered,
40.
and that
Groceries,
small change
80. That's it, I'm
was
broke.
the biggest one of all. Because
What the-
growth
where did all this come
starts
from?
the moment you stop
Oh,
playing
man,
only
this is getting
defense
heavy.
and finally start
I can't
playing
take much more of this
forward.
pressure.
And this time,
$199,
Leo wasn't
$349,
just
$299,
saving.
$450.
He was
Wait, that adds up
evolving.
to $12.97? Wow, those small charges really pile up fast. Whoa, 49 bucks at the store? And $5.50 for coffee? I really need to chill. Ugh, my bank account is screaming. Time to be more present. All right, better. That's a good one.